Imagine a place of extraordinary beauty. A vast open land stretches before your very eyes. The sky above is immense. It is often a brilliant clear blue, a stunning canvas. This remarkable place is Maasai Mara, a true jewel in Africa's wild crown. It is a sanctuary teeming with incredible natural wonders. Here the horizon seems to stretch on forever, without end. Golden grasses cover the plains, swaying gently in the warm African breeze. It is a truly breathtaking sight to behold for any visitor. This ancient land whispers timeless stories of the wilderness. It is a precious haven for countless creatures, both large and small. When you stand in the Maasai Mara, you feel something special. The air itself feels different, charged with unseen energy. It is fresh and carries the subtle scents of the earth. The sounds are unique too. Perhaps the distant call of a bird, or the rustle of unseen animals in the long grasses. There is an overwhelming sense of freedom here, a profound connection to the raw, untamed power of nature. This is a timeless landscape, largely unchanged for thousands of years. It invites quiet contemplation and a deep appreciation for our planet. It reminds us of a world that once was. The lifeblood of this incredible ecosystem is the Mara River. It winds its way like a silver ribbon across the plains. Its course carves through the land, bringing essential water. Many animals depend entirely on the river for their survival. Its banks are often fringed with dense green vegetation. Iconic flat-topped acacia trees also dot the landscape. They provide welcome shade from the strong equatorial sun. These trees are a classic symbol of the African savanna. They stand like patient sentinels watching over the plains. The Mara landscape is simply unforgettable. The sheer scale of the Maasai Mara National Reserve is immense. It covers many hundreds of square kilometers of pristine wilderness. It is located in the southwestern part of Kenya. It shares a border with Tanzania's famous Serengeti National Park. Together they form the vast Serengeti Mara ecosystem. This is one of the most important wildlife areas on Earth. Its health and protection are of truly global significance. Millions of animals depend on this interconnected land. It is a place that captures the imagination of people worldwide. It stands as a testament to the planet's natural heritage. The most famous feature of Maasai Mara is its wide, open savannas. These are vast grasslands that stretch as far as the eye can see. These plains are home to an incredible density of wildlife. The short grasses make it easier to spot animals. Herds of grazers move across these plains throughout the year. The savanna is an ecosystem shaped by seasonal rains and sunshine. It is a landscape of subtle beauty and immense ecological value. Here, life plays out in a grand open theater. The very essence of wild Africa can be felt here. But the Mara is not just open plains. Along the banks of the Mara River and its tributary, the Talek River, you find lush, riverine forests. These areas are a stark contrast to the sun-drenched savannas. Tall trees create a cool, shady canopy overhead. Different kinds of animals and birds live in these forests. Monkeys chatter in the branches and elusive leopards may rest here. These forests provide vital refuge and resources for wildlife. They are cooler, more sheltered environments. They add another layer to the Mara's rich tapestry of habitats. Adding to the variety of landscapes are the rolling hills and escarpments. The Olololo escarpment on the western edge is particularly impressive. It rises dramatically from the plains below. From the top you can see breathtaking panoramic views of the entire Mara. These higher areas can create their own microclimates. They offer different types of vegetation and shelter for animals. Small streams may originate in these hills, feeding the larger rivers. This varied topography contributes to the Mara's high biodiversity. It ensures that many different species can thrive here. The appearance of the Maasai Mara changes dramatically with the seasons. During the wet season, the grasses are green and lush. Wildflowers may carpet the plains in vibrant colors. Water is plentiful, and the rivers run full. Then comes the dry season. The sun bakes the land and the grasses turn golden brown. Water sources become more concentrated, drawing animals together. Each season brings its own challenges and opportunities for wildlife. This constant cycle of wet and dry shapes the lives of all creatures here. It dictates their movements and their very survival. Perhaps the Maasai Mara is most famous for the Great Migration. This is truly one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Imagine more than 1 million wildebeest thundering across the plains. They are joined by hundreds of thousands of zebras. Thompson's gazelles also take part in this incredible journey. The sheer number of animals is almost impossible to comprehend. It is a moving river of life, a constant flow of hooves and horns. This ancient pilgrimage is a sight that, once seen, is never forgotten. It is a powerful reminder of the raw energy of the natural world. What drives this incredible mass movement of animals? It is the relentless search for fresh green grazing land. The animals follow the rains across the Serengeti Mara ecosystem. It is a continuous, cyclical journey, with no real beginning or end. As the rains deplete the grasses in one area, they flourish elsewhere. The herds are instinctively drawn towards these new pastures. This ensures their survival in a land of seasonal abundance. It is a strategy honed over thousands of generations, a testament to their adaptation to this dynamic environment. One of the most dramatic moments of the Great Migration is the river crossings. The herds must cross the Mara River and sometimes the Talek River. These rivers are often swollen and fast-flowing, and lurking beneath the surface are enormous Nile crocodiles. They wait patiently for this annual feast. The tension is palpable as the animals gather at the river's edge. Then, driven by an unstoppable urge, they plunge into the water. It is a life-or-death struggle against currents and predators. A true test of survival of the fittest unfolds before your eyes. The Great Migration has a profound impact on the entire ecosystem. The constant grazing helps to maintain the health of the grasslands. The dung from millions of animals fertilizes the soil. This enriches the land for future growth. The migrating herds also provide a vital food source for predators. Lions, hyenas, and cheetahs rely on this seasonal bounty. The entire ecosystem pulses with the rhythm of this incredible journey. It is a perfectly balanced system, where every creature plays a part. The scale of this natural event is simply staggering. While the migration is spectacular, Maasai Mara is home to abundant wildlife all year round. Magnificent herds of African elephants roam these plains. They are the largest land animals on Earth. They live in complex family groups led by wise matriarchs. Watching these gentle giants move gracefully is a privilege. Their intelligence and deep social bonds are truly remarkable. They play a crucial role in shaping the landscape. They create pathways and help disperse seeds. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Look up, and you might see the elegant giraffe. They browse delicately on the leaves of acacia trees. Their long necks allow them to reach high into the canopy. Each giraffe has a unique coat pattern like a fingerprint. They move with a slow, graceful gait, surveying their surroundings. Other resident herbivores are also plentiful. Large herds of buffalo gather near water sources. Impala, topi, and eland are common sights on the plains. Each species is perfectly adapted to its niche in this rich environment. The diversity is simply astounding. The Maasai Mara is also a paradise for birdwatchers. Over 500 species of birds have been recorded here. Majestic birds of prey soar high above on thermal currents. Eagles, vultures, and hawks scan the ground for their next meal. Colorful lilac-breasted rollers flash their jewel-like plumage. Tiny sunbirds flit amongst the flowers seeking nectar. Secretary birds stride through the grasslands hunting for snakes. From the largest ostrich to the smallest finch, the bird life is vibrant. It adds another dimension to the Mara's incredible biodiversity. And we must not forget the smaller creatures. They are often overlooked but play vital roles in the ecosystem. Countless insects pollinate plants and decompose organic matter. Reptiles like lizards and tortoises bask in the sun. Amphibians thrive in the wetter areas. Even the dung beetles perform an essential service. They clean the plains by burying animal droppings. Every living thing, no matter its size, is interconnected. They all contribute to the delicate balance of life in the Mara. Section 5. The Circle of Life. Predators of the Mara. The Maasai Mara is renowned for its healthy populations of large predators. These magnificent carnivores sit at the top of the food chain. Perhaps the most iconic is the African lion. They live in social groups called prides. Seeing a pride of lions resting in the shade is an unforgettable sight. Their roars can carry for many kilometers across the plains. These powerful animals command respect. They are a symbol of the wildness of Africa. Their presence indicates a thriving ecosystem with plenty of prey. Another formidable predator is the leopard. These are solitary and incredibly elusive creatures. They are masters of camouflage, their spotted coats blending perfectly with their surroundings. Leopards often hunt at night using stealth and power. They are skilled climbers and will often drag their kills up into trees. This keeps their meal safe from other scavengers like hyenas. Spotting a leopard in the wild is a rare and rewarding experience. It requires patience and a keen eye. They are the silent assassins of the bush. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. It is built for incredible bursts of speed. Cheetahs prefer open grasslands where they can use their acceleration to chase down prey. Unlike lions and leopards, cheetahs often hunt during the day. They are more slender and less powerful than other big cats. This means they can sometimes lose their kills to larger predators. Cheetahs face many challenges for survival. Their grace and speed are a wonder to witness. They are a truly specialized hunter of the plains. Often misunderstood, the spotted hyena is a fascinating predator. They have incredibly powerful jaws capable of crushing bone. Hyenas live in complex social groups called clans led by females. They are not just scavengers, they are also very successful hunters. They often hunt in groups, cooperating to bring down large prey. Their distinctive calls, often described as laughter, echo through the night. Other predators also call the Mara home. Sleek jackals and the occasional rare wild dog contribute to the ecosystem's balance. Each plays its role in this intricate web. Section 6. The Hunt and the Hunted. A delicate balance. In the Maasai Mara, the drama of predator and prey unfolds daily. It is a continuous cycle of life and death. This is the essence of the natural world. The tension between the hunter and the hunted is ever present. Predators must kill to survive and feed their young. Prey animals must remain constantly vigilant to avoid becoming a meal. This dynamic relationship has shaped the evolution of both groups. It is a powerful force that drives natural selection. The skills and strategies on display are remarkable. Prey animals have developed many amazing adaptations to survive. Many, like gazelles and wildebeest, rely on speed to escape. Others, like zebras, gather in large herds for safety in numbers. More eyes mean a greater chance of spotting danger. Some animals use camouflage to blend in with their surroundings. Young animals are often born at specific times of the year. This means there are so many young ones that predators cannot possibly catch them all. These strategies increase their chances of survival. It is a constant battle of wits and agility. Predators play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They help to control the populations of herbivore species. Without predators, herbivore numbers could grow too large. This would lead to overgrazing and damage to the environment. Predators also tend to prey on the weakest, oldest, or sickest individuals. This helps to keep the prey herd strong and healthy. It ensures that only the fittest animals survive to reproduce. This is a vital, though sometimes harsh, part of nature's design. This delicate balance between predator and prey is fragile. It can be easily disrupted by external factors. Human activities such as habitat loss or poaching can have severe consequences. Climate change can also affect the availability of food and water. This impacts both predators and their prey. Maintaining a complete and healthy ecosystem is essential. All parts of the food web are interconnected. The loss of one species can have ripple effects throughout the system. Protecting this balance is vital for the Mara's future. Section 7. The Maasai people, guardians of the land. The Maasai Mara is not just a land of wildlife, it is also the ancestral home of the Maasai people. They are a remarkable people with a rich and distinct culture. For centuries, they have lived in this region side by side with its wild creatures. Their connection to this land is incredibly deep and spiritual. They have an intimate knowledge of its rhythms and its secrets. The Maasai are an iconic symbol of East Africa. Their traditions are an integral part of the Mara's story. The Maasai have traditionally lived a semi-nomadic lifestyle. Their lives revolve around their cattle. Cattle are a symbol of wealth and social status. They provide milk, meat, and hides. The Maasai move with their herds in search of fresh pasture and water. This traditional way of life has allowed them to coexist with wildlife. They generally do not hunt wild animals for food. Their respect for their cattle is central to their cultural identity. This pastoral tradition has shaped their relationship with the environment. The Maasai are known for their vibrant and colorful attire. The men often wear red cloaks called shukas. Both men and women adorn themselves with intricate beadwork. These beads are not just decorative, they often carry symbolic meaning. Music and dance are also very important in Maasai culture. Their traditional songs and dances are performed at ceremonies and celebrations. The adumu, or jumping dance performed by young warriors, is famous worldwide. This rich cultural heritage is proudly maintained. For generations, the Maasai have accumulated vast knowledge of their environment. They understand the behavior of animals and the uses of different plants. Many plants are used for traditional medicine. They know how to find water and navigate the vast plains. This traditional ecological knowledge is invaluable. Historically, they have acted as stewards of this land. They have lived in relative harmony with the wildlife around them. Their presence and culture are deeply woven into the fabric of the Mara. Section 8. Living in harmony, culture and conservation, intertwined. The relationship between the Maasai people and wildlife has been long and complex. For centuries, they have shared this land with lions, elephants, and other animals. There has always been a degree of coexistence. While conflicts, such as lions preying on cattle, sometimes occur, there is also deep respect. Maasai traditions often incorporate elements of the natural world. Certain animals hold special significance in their folklore and beliefs. This historical connection is an important foundation for modern conservation. They understand the value of the wild creatures. The establishment of the Maasai Mara National Reserve changed things. Later, community conservancies were formed on Maasai-owned land surrounding the reserve. These conservancies are a partnership between landowners and tourism operators. The Maasai communities play a vital role in managing these areas. They lease their land for conservation and tourism. This innovative model aims to benefit both wildlife and people. It allows the Maasai to continue their traditional way of life while protecting nature. It is a forward-thinking approach to conservation. Conservation efforts in the Mara can bring significant benefits to Maasai communities. Tourism in the conservancies generates income for the landowners. This revenue can be used to fund community projects. These might include schools, healthcare clinics, and access to clean water. Conservation also creates employment opportunities for Maasai people. Many work as rangers, guides, or staff in tourist lodges. These benefits help to demonstrate the value of protecting wildlife. It creates a direct link between conservation and improved livelihoods. However, challenges remain in balancing tradition with modern life. Human-wildlife conflict is still a concern for pastoral communities. As human populations grow, there is increasing pressure on land and resources. Some younger Maasai are also seeking new opportunities beyond traditional pastoralism. It is essential that Maasai communities are fully involved in conservation decisions. Their participation and support are crucial for long-term success. Protecting their cultural heritage while embracing conservation is key. This ensures a future where both people and wildlife can thrive. Section 9. Protecting a treasure. The future of Maasai Mara. The Maasai Mara is undeniably one of Earth's greatest natural treasures. Its stunning landscapes and incredible biodiversity are truly unique. It is home to a remarkable concentration of wildlife. The Great Migration is a spectacle without parallel. The intricate web of life here, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, is precious. This is a place that inspires awe and wonder in all who experience it. Its importance extends far beyond the borders of Kenya. It is part of our shared global heritage. However, this precious ecosystem faces significant threats. Habitat loss due to expanding agriculture and settlements is a major concern. Climate change is altering rainfall patterns and temperatures. This impacts vegetation and water availability. Poaching, although reduced, still poses a threat to certain species. Human encroachment on wildlife corridors can disrupt animal movements. Even tourism, if not managed sustainably, can put pressure on the environment. These challenges require urgent and coordinated action. The future of the Mara hangs in the balance. Fortunately, many dedicated people and organizations are working to protect the Maasai Mara. Anti-poaching patrols work tirelessly to safeguard wildlife. Researchers study the ecosystem to better understand its complexities. Community conservation programs aim to involve local people in protecting their heritage. Sustainable tourism initiatives strive to minimize environmental impact. They also aim to maximize benefits for local communities. These efforts are vital for the long-term survival of the Mara. International support and collaboration are also crucial. The responsibility to protect the Maasai Mara rests with all of us. It is a living laboratory, a source of inspiration, and a vital sanctuary. We must ensure that its wonders endure for future generations to experience. The choices we make today will determine its fate. Let us work together to preserve this extraordinary place. The enduring magic of the Maasai Mara is a gift to the world. It is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. We must cherish and protect it, now and always. Its survival is a testament to what we can achieve.